This is going to be so much fun. Welcome to the Feel Showcase. Now the first thing you're going to do is to grab yourself a Feel Passport. This little booklet is going to guide you through all the experiences of the day.
At Feel Showcase, we will be bringing the wellness chart to life. At Feel Alive, you will find the VMG Plus tasting station. You will also have the opportunity to participate in cooking workshops with Mafalda, with the new EO Mega Plus sachets. And you can also find out more about our Feel Alive summer campaign and our plans for launching the new Wellness Made Simple products.
At Feel Energized, you can try to score a strike to win a recharge sample, enjoy exciting workshops, or talk to our experts in the rest and recover area. And if you're in a mood to look deeper into your emotions, at Feel Balanced, you will find a journey through your feelings and more insightful workshops to help you create harmony in your life.
At Feel Renewed, you will discover plenty of ideas to replace many everyday products in your house and embrace a low-tox lifestyle.
At the Feel Showcase, you will also have the chance of visiting the Feel Connected area, where the Digital and Leadership Services team will be waiting to answer any questions you have. And we have a few extra surprises in the new product area, but you'll have to wait for those.
We cannot wait to see you!